GSG is proud to continue to serve our great customers. With 70 years of experience in the industry, GSG is a full-service sign, digital, and apparel decorating distributor committed to your success and delivering the right products right away. We stock innovative products from suppliers and have industry experts ready to serve you. Whether you've run into a problem you can't seem to fix on your own or need a recommendation on a new product to grow your business, GSG is here for you. We carry the brands you love and the brands we know you need. GSG offers exclusive promotions, an abundance of resources, and unparalleled customer service. As your preferred distributor, we are here to help you select the right equipment to optimize your shop. From flatbed printers and automatic screen presses to squeegees and HTV, there is no project too large and no project too small. We understand getting the products you need is essential to running your business. That's why we've always strived to deliver the perfect order. On time, accurate, and complete. That's our preferred partnered promise to you. GSG is committed to the safety and service of our customers. We take extra precautions to ensure you're getting the products you need without delay and with peace of mind. We offer contactless curbside pickup and contactless delivery. All team members are wearing face masks, social distancing, and regularly cleaning their work environment. GSG is doing our part to promote safe work environments by adding face masks and additional cleaning supplies to our product lineup to help our customers stay safe and stay healthy. We sincerely thank you for continuing to trust your business with GSG and for giving us a chance to earn your business. If you haven't heard, we are GSG, and we are here for you every step of the way.
GSG!